Past perfect tense. Past perfect tense is used to indicate the completion of action in past before any other action started. For examples, I had gone to school. He had played cricket. We had eaten food. In these tenses, we use third form of verb. Helping verb had is used before main verb. For examples, he had gone to school. You had played cricket. I had taken tea. In negative tense, we use not in between helping verb and main verb. For examples, I had not gone to school. We had not eaten food. He had not played cricket. Short form of had not is hadn't. In interrogative tense, we use helping verb at the start of tense. For examples, had I gone to school? Had she eaten food? Had he played cricket? Further examples, he had read books. He had not read books. Had he read books? I had taken tea. I had not taken tea. Had I taken tea? You had written a letter. You had not written a letter. Had you written a letter? Exercise. Choose correct one. I has read books. I had read books. Second one is correct. I had read books. We had not take bath. We had not taken bath. Second one is correct. We had not taken bath. Had she drink water? Had she drunk water? Second one is correct. Had she drunk water?